Have you ever tried to take a screw out and this happened? Keeps turning and turning and turning. Did you ever try to take another screw out? And turning. Well, you guys, I have the answer to all of y'all questions. Right here we have the HART 5-piece screw extractor set. And we need this to take out screws. I used to have one many moons ago, but what happens is you loan people your tools and somehow you don't get them back. So I have this HART set and I have a Ryobi set. Now these sets are pretty cheap. I got this actually from Walmart. It was like $9. They had one in the clearance, but it was actually missing one. So they actually was selling it for $5. But I said, I'll just go ahead and get this, $10, whatever. And we are going to open it up and check it out. Okay, you guys, so I took it out the box. That's the part that y'all like. Has a little paper of instructions. So that is pretty cool. Just in case you're new to the Extractor game, here you go. All right, so with that being said, okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. It has a nice beauty cover to protect it, which we'll never use again. All right, and here goes your extractors. Now on here, it actually tells you what size to use for what screw. Right here, it says extractor size, and then it says drill bit diameter. All right. And then it says bolt and screw size removal over this side. So it basically tells you what size that you need to remove. All right. So let's go ahead so I can show y'all this working. Okay, you guys. So right now I am going to use number 1 because this is just a regular home screw. And it will fit directly in the middle. So what we have to do is we have to get a drill bit. It says oil the screw, but I don't have no oil laying around. So it's just to lubricate it. So you can do that step, but I'm going to try to skip that step really a little quick. So let's see. Now, on the instructions, it says tap in the extractor, okay? I think that might be a little too big. Well, I absolutely went all the way through. All right. And there we go. Even though it broke off. All right, let's try the other one. The extractor actually went through the bolt. Okay, you guys, we are going to try that again. No, you're supposed to, but all right, there we well. It bust the head off again. I know, this could get frustrating, right? All right, you guys, so I used the extractor. It didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. Usually, sometimes it don't work out the way you want it to work out. I think with the drill bit, I basically bust the heads open already, but I did extract the head out. So with the remaining part of the screw, I will have to get grip pliers, squeeze pliers, and go ahead, squeeze it and unscrew it off. Other than that, I just wanted to move that because I will be putting a screen door in my garage instead of this thing that I'm getting tired of going in and out of. I'd rather just have a screen door. If I need to go in and out, we'll leave it open. Other than that, if you like that extractor set, sorry that it didn't go out perfectly. It won't go perfect all the time, but if I have any other strip screws, I will try to feature that on like a YouTube Shorts or an Instagram post. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and please subscribe.